Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today is Wednesday and we are here now in IKEA. So andito tayo guys ngayon sa IKEA malapit sa Gloria Outlet. And titignan natin kung ano yung meron dito sa loob. Kasi one of my friend invited me here to check inside the IKEA. So sabi niya sa akin may mga kitchen utensils daw sila dito na minsan mura lang. So, let's try guys kung totoo nga yung sabi ng kaibigan ko na mura lang yung mga kitchen utensils dito. So, see you later guys. I'll show you to you what's inside the IKEA. Tada! So, as you see guys, I'm wearing mask again kasi dito sa Taiwan talaga, everyone is required to wear mask, especially in the public place. If you don't wear mask, you will gonna be fine. Gago, hindi na record. So guys, we are in the food court of IKEA. Dahil gutom na kami, it's already 2 p.m. Sobrang gutom na. So it's time for us to eat lunch. So nice place, nice. So guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa food court ng IKEA. And then, this is the way how to order food in IKEA. And it's my first time guys. So, first time to dito sa
Okay.
So,
you can choose your own food.
So now we're gonna choose our own food.
So if you want to choose, just choose.
Wow, it's good.
You want?
You want salad?
Why not?
Choose your own. So, ayun guys, you can choose like, yan, mga cakes, mga salad.
salmon?
Some chicken salad.
You want chicken?
So, meet my friend. Naliligaw na taga-Turkey. So you can choose. Wow, it's nice. Hey, it's really good too.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I never been to it.
I know. You want any dessert?
What do you want?
Cake, almond,
So-
caramel, cake, almond.
This one, maybe try almond caramel. Okay. So it's not expensive. It's not too expensive, guys.
It's convenient.
It's convenient and it's not too expensive, really. Look at this one. Cake, almond caramel, it's only cost 55. It's cheaper than Starbucks. Oh, look at the cake. No, it's only 50. So, hindi siya mahal talaga, guys.
Excuse me.
It costs
This one has a fork?
$60.
Has fork?
This is 50. So, hindi talaga siya mahal, guys. Mas mahal pa talaga sa
This one is only
Starbucks.
beef?
This
Okay,
one.
can I have one? Only chicken, right? Okay.
Yeah, me too. Can you please order for me?
You want that one?
No, chicken.
What about this one? This one has fork? Okay.
Wow, it's really nice.
This sauce? What about the sauce? The sauce has any fork?
What did you order, me?
I ordered one this, so you can try salmon. The one with cook.
Yes.
Oh, you get some vegetables. What about one grill? Excuse me, what's this one? Is beef? Here you go.
Oh, that's no, that's I think for set, my friend. That's for set. Only that's only for set, right? This is for set. Oh, so pukay. Okay, watch it out. I know. Wotong with the isu. Siga kinagapu iyang da. Okay. Yes. This is for one set. This one is it's not belong to that one.
Can we get some vegetable or no?
Can we get more vegetable? No. Vegetable. Huh? Tay. This is nada. Okay, you can get there. No, you can get there, my friend.
I want. This is salmon.
Wow, I will come back here. Babalik talaga ako dito.
You want to try the soup?
It's a nice food. Oh yeah, that is the food we get here. Wow, ito yung mga pagkain namin, guys. Wow.
How can we get drinks?
How I wish I can take my kids here. One day I'll take Mary here.
I want to choose. Where's the glass?
Wow. One day I'll take Mary here. You want to take one?
You want to?
How about you? Okay.
It's unlimited, yeah.
Okay. So, ayan guys, magbabayad na kami. Let's see kung magkano yung babayaran namin. How much?
800.
Oh, wow.
For a lot of
800
fresh
for
food.
this. Everything.
They will put in the table now. Okay, now we're going to our table.
Okay.
And we will still have drinks. There is sauce. There is free coffee. See here, you can have free coffee.
One day I'll take Mary here. I will
She
take
like
my
it or no? No, I will record you. You will put it here. Or I will put it.
So yan, my friend, my business partner is preparing food for us. Look at the food, my friend. Lahat ng mga to is it's cheers, my friend. Let's cheers for the victory. So it looks good. This is my first time, guys, here in IKEA, and thanks for my friend who invited me here because I've never known that the food here is good. And I never be experienced if I didn't listen to him, you know. So the food is good. It's not too expensive. It's just right.
Healthy.
You know, it's healthy food. We have almond. We have like this one is what do you call this one? Almond also.
Cake.
Almond cake. So we have the salad. In Costco, that's expensive. Here it's cost only $90, I think. So the soup is $35. So this one's look yummy. The chicken meatball, wow. And the vegetable. Yan guys, gutom na ako. Kakain muna ako. Babay na muna. So here we go guys. Ayan guys yung natatawa. Dito tayo ngayon sa ayan, bilihan ng mga beddings. Wow.